Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Back out here at the park, y'all. It's Tuesday. I'm out here with something tiny. Check this thing out. This is one of those frames from CNC drones, and I think it's called the Stingray frame. Or no, it's the turtle, I think. But anyhow, one of these CNC frames, and I actually threw one of my older Beta FPV whoops on here. And so this is a 1S board from Beta FPV, one of the earlier ones, very hard to find. I really like these the best because these are one of the few 1S boards that you can find that has a pad for the buzzer. So this has buzzer pads on it. This thing has a buzzer installed. You guys know I'm a fan of having an active buzzer instead of having the motors beep, because the buzzer is louder and the motors can't beep while the quad is flying, so you have no audible LVC warning. So an active buzzer is audible for LVC, and I like that. Because a lot of times I'm not paying attention inside the goggles or on the monitor to see that I'm running real low on power. And so we have Beta FPV motors on here. These are 1102 and they're 18,000 kV. Check it out. So, and these are the gem fan props here, 40mm bi-blades. And this canopy here is a B-Whoop canopy. I don't know if you guys remember that Whoop company back in the day, B-Whoop. Not sure if they still do whoops or whatnot, but this is a B-Whoop canopy, and it has OSD. This is the newest one. So OSD on this little VTX that's under this canopy. And this camera right here is from LDARC. I think this is pretty much a Franken build, I guess. Parts all over the place. You can see I chopped off with one of my frames. This was a frame from a brushed quad from LDARC, I think. And so I just took that battery holder there, did one of my little Franken builds with this little thing. As you can see, there's a GNB A20 on here, so I swapped all of my little drones to, well, my 1S drones at least, I swapped them all to this connector or the BT 2.0, and so all of them use these kind of connectors now. A little upgrade. But let's get this guy in the air. This is going to be the maiden flight. I want to see if the OSD is working well, and how well the VTX is working and all. So let's get this guy up in the air. Got some squirrels out here for company. We're gonna take off from the ground this time. So it flies. The rates are kind of low. We're in acro now. Let's see. Oh, this little guy has some punch. Let's see. Liking the way it's flying. Do some FPV. Uh-oh. Can't do any FPV. It looks like the feed is dark. Hold on. Did I lock into the right channel? Let me check it out. Try to get on the right channel. Ah, it looks bad. I don't know if it's this VTX or whatnot. It's old. Let's try to get it locked in on a different channel. Maybe that's it. Ah, it looks like crap, y'all. So the VTX isn't working well. Guess I have to swap out to a different VTX. Yeah, it looks really staticky. Pretty sure it's locked in on the correct channel. It's just looking bad. Well, we're not going to be able to do any FPV, so let's do some line of sight. Tiny little bugger. Oh. I don't know what happened just now. It flipped really fast. Let's see. What's going on with my rates? Oh, okay. So I must have a curve on the rates or whatnot. If I go full stick, it'll flip faster. When I get to the end of the stick, check it out. Sheesh. I'm surprised I was able to stop it right side up. Power loop does have an active buzzer, so I can tell when it's at LVC at least. Hopefully you guys can see this little thing. Ooh, right under the trees. Yeah, it flips fast when I hit the stick all the way. Sheesh, no buzzer. Let me make sure my buzzer's working. Yeah, my buzzer's working, definitely. Not feeling weak or anything, but I'm just wondering why I'm flying it so hard and it's not really, you know, beeping or anything. Are these A20 connectors that good? And I'm not getting any sag at all? Come under these trees. Okay, there we go. Let me bring it in. Couldn't even bring it in. It just went down on me. I didn't want to land it in the grass because the grass is wet out here. It was raining. I do have another pack. So let me pop this one out. Get another pack in here. Kind of disappointed that I didn't get to fly FPV with this guy, because it seems like an awesome fly. I'm going to get a better VTX in here. Plugged in. Let me try one more time with the VTX. Nope, it looks like it's going to be staticky again. Yep, still staticky. I don't like the way it looks. So let's get it in the air. I love doing power loops, as you can see. I don't like to fly too far away though, because I can't see that good. This thing is tiny. Sheesh, I had to go in angle mode right there. Oh. And I'm on the wet grass. I think I'm gonna cut it now. It's getting a little wet. I think I might have crashed it one time too many. I don't want to short circuit this thing. It's all wet and everything. So Tuesday morning, fun with this little Franken build. Tiny one. Thanks for watching.